Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 Yamaha STRYKER. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2014 Yamaha STRYKER with 14,199 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with an EFI module, an aftermarket exhaust, an aftermarket Stage 1 intake, a Mustang seat, rider footrests, and grips. We have installed a new front tire. Powered by a 1304cc V-twin engine, the STRYKER puts 82 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 3.9-gallon fuel capacity, the STRYKER has a 160 to 200-mile range. It has a 26.4-inch seat height and a 645-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the STRYKER will need rear turn signals with sufficient visibility and a functioning plate light. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed the new front tire, and the rear is at 6:30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint chip on the rear fender. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.